Good boards are getting cheap and cheap boards are getting good. This phenomenon holds very true, especially for Monsgeek. The Monsgeek M series is very well known within the budget keyboard scene, where each version in the M lineup offers a unique layout. And the one I have here is the Monsgeek M3, a barebone kit featuring a TKL layout with south-facing RGB and an elegant aluminum casing. Not gonna lie, it really has that premium looks at first glance. Inside the box, there's a lot of stuffs included. We have the silicone gaskets, Teflon pads for the force brake mod, additional screws with Allen key, PCB mount stabilizers, a coiled cable, tape, and of course the board itself. The Monsgeek M3 comes in 3 colorway options, featuring black, silver, and purple, with the purple variant priced at $6 higher than the other two. With VIA support out of the box, simply means you can adjust the lighting, keys, and even the macros. While they provide a cloud driver on their website, it still lacks the ability to change specific lighting, and is only meant for the China version. Furthermore, they also mention about the N-key rollover technology, which behaves similarly as anti-ghosting. All keys are expected to register when pressed simultaneously. Additionally, the stabilizers included are from Akko, which in case you didn't know, is their siblings company. As you disassemble the board, the screws that secures the top frame and bottom frame are made up of different sizes. Beneath the PCB, there's this feel like Poron case foam, spongy case foam, and a PET insulation layer. Between the PC plate and PCB, there's also plate foam and PCB foam included. In total, 5 foams within the case. For this build in particular, I'll be using the cream yellow Pro switches from Akko, the smooth linear switches out of the box, featuring a long pole palm stem with PC top housing and PA bottom housing. A dedicated video for the switch will be releasing soon. In my opinion, the board emphasizes on a clean and minimalistic look. Although I'm not a big fan of how the top and bottom frame meets in the middle and the sticker on the back, other than that, the engraved back design and the silver accent bars sitting at both ends help to define its own branding. Despite its appearance resembling a premium $200 keyboard, the M3 still performs like a decent budget board, especially in terms of the acoustics. Priced at around $100, the CNC machining and case coating are of decent quality, ensuring a clean and minimalistic look. Yet, sounding from the casing still feels very generic and on a higher pitch end, which is hard to explain in words, but due to this, I wouldn't expect much torque from this board. The softness is also close to none, seemingly produced just by the PC plate. Apart from that, the building experience was generally positive. My only complaint is installing switches can be slightly tighter than expected, with all foam supplied, leaves a small gaps between the casing as well. Overall, this is still a very solid board. In case you are purchasing, it's worth noting there are China and international versions available, with differences in the QMK compatibility, so make sure you are aware of that. If you are someone who's making a switch from a plastic board and are looking on your first alu keyboard, the Monsgeek M series definitely fits the criteria, as it is very well priced for an alu keyboard. In their Discord server, you have access to some of their files and also a support team, which means you really can't go wrong with this board. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you have a nice one. See you on the next one.